Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address. If you forgot your password and you want to change your email address with Epic Games, this is the quickest way that you change your email. So for whatever reason you can't remember your password, your email account's been hacked, this is the way to change it. First of all, head over to epicgames.com. Then in the top left hand corner, scroll down to Fortnite. You can do this off your phone browser as well. Then go on to help. As soon as you're on to help, you'll see contact us. Click that dialog box. You'll see Fortnite in the top box. Change the language to English. You want to put your full name there. It's optional, but put your full name. You want to put your email address, and this is the one that people have problem with. You want to put your new email address. So the new email address that you want to use, put it in there. Then select what platform you're using. And then select update Epic Games account. And then basically in the box here where you describe your problem, you're going to put something like, I wish to change my email address from this is my old email address to my new email address because I can't remember the password for my old email address. What will happen, they'll get back to you within about 7 days. They are sort of like speeding things up at the moment, and they'll ask you for your email address associated with your Epic Games account. So that will be your old email, so you'll have to remember that. They'll ask you for your Epic display name, your first and last name with the account you registered on, what system you play it on, and what email address you'd like to change it to. And hopefully they should get it sorted within a week's time. So that's how you change your email address on Fortnite. So remember, any comments, drop them in the comment box below. Remember to give the video a like, and I'll get back to you after you subscribed with another Fortnite video. Thanks for watching.